Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Dell Inspiron 14 laptop and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now the hard reset is not restoring any factory defaults or anything like that. It is basically forcing it to power cycle, but not only forcing it to power cycle, but just taking all of the electricity out of everything so that anything that's kind of running off any residual static electricity will all be cleared out. And so how we want to do that, and this is going to clear out a lot of, if you're having any troubleshooting issues where it's bugging or slow or something's not working and you've tried just a regular restart and it didn't work, we can go ahead and do this. So what you want to do this is you want to turn off your computer and disconnect it from the power adapter or whatever. And then you want to remove the base cover and take the battery out. And once the battery's out, then you want to press and hold the power button for about 20 seconds. And that what's going to try to start up, and what's going to happen is it's going to drain whatever residual electricity is in there out of it. Once you do that, you can wait a few more seconds, and then you can go ahead and reinstall the battery, put the base cover back on, plug it back in, and go ahead and turn your computer back on.